Hi, in this video I want to show you how to fix a paper jam on your HP LaserJet Pro 4001N. Step number one is to pull this drawer, the paper input drawer, and remove it completely. So take it out and set it aside. The first place where you should look for a paper jam is right under. So we're going to put this printer on its back. And just like this, you can see these rollers. This is a major point where paper can get stuck. The roller are rolling, they're trying to take the paper, and sometimes it comes crooked and gets jammed right there. So if you see any paper debris, any stuck paper, with your fingers, go ahead, remove it, or with a pair of tweezers. Now, if everything looks clean, let's go to the second place where some paper can get stuck. So for this, you will have to go on the right side, press this button, open, remove the ink toner simply by pulling it out of the printer. And right over here, it's a second place where you can check for any stuck paper. Again, with your fingers or a pair of tweezers, you can extract it. Take a look everywhere and everything is good. Well, put back the toner. Finally, I want to show you the last place where some paper jam can occur, and this is on the back of this printer. So this is the back, and if you stick your finger over here and you pull it, you'll be able to see this over here, and this is another major point that can have some paper jam. So inspect it well and make sure everything looks clean. Remove the paper, close it, and once you have done this and you removed the paper that got jammed, simply unplug it from the power source, wait around 30 seconds and plug it back. Then press the power button in the front, right over here, and the error message should clear by itself. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.